In just 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you how Google Gemini on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is all you need to study in a new way. Coursework and exam prep don't have to be things you do alone. Ask Gemini to proofread your essays, perfect the tone of an email, or cut down on your word count. You can even add an image for it to see. Gemini, can you check my work?
It looks like you've defined osmosis correctly as the diffusion of water molecules.
Nice! And if you're finding it hard to digest the information in a report, Google Gemini can even make a podcast out of it.
Ever wondered why your fingers get all pruny in the bath? Or how those massive redwood trees pull water way up high?
If you want more of a chat, Gemini Live can quiz you on a textbook page and then put anything you don't understand into simpler terms. Can you quiz me on this biology material?
What are the two main types of mutations described here?
Can you explain it in a simple way?
So mutations are basically changes to someone's DNA.
Thanks, Gemini. And we can't skip circle to search. Just circle something that you're stuck on, like a complex equation, and it can help you out instantly.